Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install CentOS in VirtualBox. Okay, click on new and give the VM name. Okay, select the VM folder where all the files are going to be get downloaded. Okay, it seems the folder is empty. I'm going to select the same folder and select the ISO image. Okay, so just uncheck this, click on finish. Okay, now click on settings. Okay, here you have to modify something. So the first and foremost thing that you are going to change is the pointing device as PS2, mouse as USB tablet. Okay, so if you haven't choose this USB tablet, you will face a lot of issues in the mouse. Okay, you couldn't able to use the mouse properly. Okay, display, storage, so everything is fine. NAT, leave it as it is as of now. Just click on OK and start. Okay, so just go ahead and install CentOS Stream 10. So guys, there's an important thing that if you haven't selected that USB tablet instead of that PS2 mouse, once you click here, right, so it will face a lot of issues. Like if you click here, that mouse will automatically go upside. Okay, it will be stuck over here. So just make sure that you click USB tablet as your pointing device. So it's going to take a few seconds. Now select the language as English, India, continue. Okay, here click on installation destination, select this and click on done. Okay, so you have to give a root account. If you wanted to give the disable the root account, that's fine, and if you want it, just please enable it and set up the root password. So I'm just giving root as a root password. Allow root SSH login with the password. Why? We'll see in our future videos why we are giving root SSH login with the password. Okay, so you have to click on done twice time. Click on user creation. I need a user. For example, I'll use CentOS as full name. Username is automatically taking that. Okay, all small letters. Password. Okay, now click on done. So all done. If you want the software selection, like if you wanted to have the server with GUI interface, or you just need a CLI interface, or any additional commands, additional softwares that you wanted to download, you can select it. So for a simple basis, I'm just using server with GUI. Okay, click on done and everything's set up. For example, if you wanted to change the host name as anything, like for example, I take a YouTube channel, Ryan Code, apply. So our current host name is changed. I'll show you once we have that. Okay, it's showing the NAT IPv4 address, which is 10.0.2.15/24. okay, so I'm just giving done and begin an installation. So it's going to take a lot of time, kind of 10 to 15 minutes, or if your configuration has very less RAM or processor, it's going to take at least a kind of 40 minutes to 15 minutes. Okay, now click on reboot system. So now we have successfully installed CentOS on our VirtualBox. Just log in, give the password which you have entered while installation. So I'm just skipping this store. Okay. So now we have successfully installed our CentOS system. So I'm clicking on terminal. So I got the terminal. Okay, let me just zoom it out and give ls who am I. I'm CentOS and my host name is Raincode. So see you in next video. We're gonna learn a lot of Linux.